Okay, we are going to view how I could trade this BTC movement that moved very well from here to this side. This good entry here, as you see. Yeah, okay. Let's go right away. Let us delete all these pictures, drawings. Let us start from H4. What was our H4 doing before that movement came in? This is the movement we are going to see. This is the movement we are going to see. How did it come in place? So, before that movement, you had this one here. And what we are going to use, it is called VV analysis. So, and the VV analysis I'm going to use H4 VV analysis. I see very well. I have this one. I also have this one. But I will use daily to mark those highs properly of H4. I will use daily. And what you're seeing here, what happened, if we turn into line chart, okay, this is what is happening. Come back here. Let me show you something here. Market came like this, it made the low, it made the high in daily, it made the low, it made the high in daily, displayed. But in displaying, it came back and it broke this high, which displayed here. Meaning that now this is a new high, and this one is a new high. Those are the two highs we are having on the market, okay? Those are the highs we are supposed to label on daily. And remember, we are using daily to get perfect highs of H4. Meaning that you are going to label now, even this one. Okay? Just label it properly. This one. So now I have to shift back in H4 to see if you are having proper highs labeled there, as you see them properly here. But this one came in as a result of breaking this high which displayed here. So we shall mainly focus on this one, this VV, okay? So if that is our VV, so back in daily, we are back in daily. If that is our high we are going to use, if this is our high we are going to use, which low brought it in daily, it is this one. So we are going to label that one to see if it is a perfect match with ours in 4 hour. Okay, so back to 4 hour. When we bring back to our 4 hour, we see, yeah, it's not that perfect, so we shall shift it to this low. We shall make it to this low for H4. And if this is our H4, now meaning that this is our VV. This is our VV of H4 finally, the one we have got, the one we are going to focus on. This one to displaying, meaning that you have to come back here for entries. We sell somewhere. How are we going to get those entries now? Now the way we are going to get those entries, we shall scale down to 30 minutes to find liquidity engineering of 30 minutes on that low of H4. Did we have any liquidity engineering near that level, or after or before that level? Yes, I see here. I see we have liquidity engineering here. Yeah. Even I looked this side. Remember, this is our low. If this is our low, did we break any last color behind here? Yes, it is here, somewhere here. It is somewhere here. Now I'm going to remove this one. I just extended it to show that this is our H4 low. This one. Okay. So, meaning that we have got liquidity on this point and on this point. Meaning those are supposed to be our entries, then stop loss above. Okay. So let me make this one a red for easy identification, and this one, our entries are red also. So meaning that we are supposed to enter from that red one, as you see properly here, the way it's done. From those red lines, you're supposed to enter from those red lines, like, yes, from this one, as I said, our entry is supposed to above. Target point, these lows. This one, you can target this one. You can also target this one. How did it play out? I'll stop here. Finally it hit the TP, but with a good move from above, as you see, with a good move. The reason as to why I extended above this one so high like this, because even this one was supposed to be, or even also this red one, it was an entry also. Okay, I had two entry points, this red one and this red one, meaning that if it came here, I had to get some space for the stop loss. That's why I extended it above. But if we had this one only, this red one down below only, the stop loss would have been somehow lower. But we had two entry points, the stop loss had to be higher to favor even this second red one. Okay, so that is the way we could trade that BTC movement that shifted.